What's going on?
Getting treats and stuff, getting my pictures done.
You were a good girl for
Thanks.
pictures.
I am a good girl altogether.
You are.
Did you know that?
I think I wrote that.
Oh, well, I guess you did know that then.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't get much more perfect than me.
No. No.
You know, everyone spends a long time trying to get the perfect dog. Well, here I am. You don't spend any time on it. It's here.
It's like self-made dog.
Yep.
Somebody else did all the work.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Move in ready.
And then then you couldn't go to Florida because
you know
of
there's
alligators.
in Florida, and dogs are no longer allowed in Florida because of the alligators.
Yeah. We've had a rash of dogs and cats lately dropped off because of the problem with the alligators in Florida.
They just can't take the pets to Florida.
Nope.
It's kind of weird, huh?
Well, it is, but we don't have alligators, so we don't know what it's like.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But you really like these, don't you?
I love them.
Oh, I'm
They're
teasing
so
ya.
good. Oh, they're good.
Okay, we gotta go.
Okay, bye.
Bye.